Back to another video. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to model a basic character in Blender. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is go to Edit, then Preferences, search up Extra, and select Extra. Then X out of that. Press Shift A, then sing over it again. Modifier search. Skin modifier. Mirror modifier. Subdivide modifier. You can adjust the levels of view for it to change how blocky or smooth the skin is. Now that you've done all that, you can start modeling your character. Start by selecting Skin, pressing E to extrude. Then I'll start with the hips and the legs. And so you'll see for legs, you just have to adjust a little. It's not supposed to be perfect, but it's just good enough to be like a basic character. This is just like a starter's guide for basically for modeling. So like once you know how to do this, you can just keep doing like more and more and more complex stuff. Then, alright. So once you're done with the legs and hips, then for the back you have to make the back just like go extra straight out of the middle of the hips. And then the feet. If you need to segment them, you can just press Control R, and then to scale it something, press Control A. So for the feet, I'll just be like putting it out and like having it go smaller and smaller. Then that's where Control R and A will come in handy. R to make the segments, then A to scale it. And then next, now that I have the back made, and hips, legs, and feet, I'll make the shoulders and then the arms. So for the shoulders, I'll just go off, make a segment, and then go off a little from the back, and then once that's done, you make the arms off of that, and then now I'm going to make yours. They're not going to look the best, but you just got to go make a wrist. Start forming those to look like fingers, and I mean, it doesn't look the best. It's just like a really basic character. It does look real goofy, but it's just not. It's not really for books. But well, that's about it. Then control A to scale it and like make it to look like a sphere. Thank you so much for watching. If you could, please subscribe and like the video. It helps out a ton. See you next time. Till then, happy game making.